This is going to be today's video review for Wednesday, May the 18th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today we were looking at oil futures and we were saying that if we can get below 47.97, we may be able to get down to the daily mid 45 and a quarter. But you can see this 47.97, this is our upper energy band bottom and the upper energy band top. We spent a lot of time being contained inside there. So when we're looking for opportunities, we're looking for a very simple pattern, which is strong trend continuation. And this would be a strong trend continuation buy right here. And what we would be looking for is a buy opportunity back to the mid. Well, you can see that price doesn't get back down to this mid area here. It's off by about, well, let's just see. We get off by about 53. This is 51. Two ticks. So if you wanted to take that buy, that would be fine. But if you got long here with the green stripe or the green bar, or the green stripe or the green bar, or just the green bar, and you got long, you know where your stop's got to be. Number one, your stop's got to be 2 ticks below the low here, and we're going to be shooting for something very, very significant to take place. Number one thing that we're going to look for to take place is we're going to want to see this yellow area here. We want to see C waves, in other words, strong energy. So anything above this yellow dotted line pushing up is strong energy. So, if you got long at, I don't know, 48.63 or 4, we'll just say, and you're up here, and you're struggling, right? Because you're only getting up to about 72, 71, and all of a sudden you got some sell response in your upper yellow here. This is area 5 on the trade chart. Well, on this red brick here, you're losing your strong energy up. You're losing your C wave. So you're very, very concerned about being long. In fact, you might be considering getting short because this is a no pattern. And if you keep an eye on things here, you can see this yellow dotted line. That's on this left chart. This is our focus chart. This dotted yellow line, this is our envelope top. So when price gets below there, that's a very strong indication that price is losing the energy up, not only on the trade chart, but on the focus chart. And we're, under this condition of the setup, we'd be going back to this white dotted line here, 48, 42, we'll say. So it's not something we want to be staying long with. So there's a very clear no pattern going on here. So we teach yes patterns, where you would take the trade, and sometimes they don't work out. There's always trades that do not work out. And the trader always looks at it the very same way, the strong trend continuation, yes or no pattern. Let's look at another trade today where it actually did work out. So we just had a strong trend continuation sell right in through here. And you can see the entry here on the trade chart, very specific type of setup dealing with the termination of energy. If you want to learn how to create dynamic income and sidestep a lot of what is considered to be nonsense from this desk here that's out there, send an email to jb@drumenergybands.com. Thanks for listening.